So we got this situation to handle. So in this part we have to integrate from 0 to pi mod sin 2x. So you know that we are dealing with modulus function, and modulus function has certain behavior that sometimes it will open with positive sign and sometimes it will open with negative sign. Okay, so let's draw the graph of sine function first. So we have this thing, x-axis and y-axis. So we have to draw graph till pi. Okay, so look at this. Suppose this is the graph. This is pi, this is 2 pi. Now we have to, like, this replacement is kx. Okay, so we have to divide x-axis by mod k. So we have to divide by 2. Okay, so this thing will become pi. Okay, now so we got this thing. So in this room, means from 0 to pi by 2, the function will open with positive sign as it is positive. From pi by 2 to pi, the function is negative, so it will multiply itself with minus and then it will open. Okay, so we can write down this question into two parts. Okay, so it is sin 2x dx, positive sign from 0 to pi by 2. Now in next part, function will open with negative sign, so minus pi by 2 to pi, and this time we will have sin 2x. Okay, now we are good to go with integration. Okay, so integration of sin x is what? First it is cos x, and then the constant which is being multiplied by x will come at the denominator. Okay, and then we have to apply the limit 0 and pi by 2. Just wait a little bit, we will simplify things. Here also we will have same thing, minus of cos 2x by 2, and the limit is pi by 2 to pi. Now I can take this minus common outside, so we will be left with minus. Now we have to put upper limit. So if you will substitute, like what I will do, I will take minus 1 by 2 common. Okay, so if you will take, substitute upper limit, you will have cos pi. Okay, now you know that cos pi look like this thing. Wait, okay, this is the graph. Suppose it is graph of cos function, so pi, then 2 pi. So at pi you will have what? Minus 1. So it is minus 1. So upper limit is done. Now minus lower limit. If you substitute lower limit, it will become cos 0, and cos 0 is 1. Okay, now done with this part. Now we will take minus common, so this thing will become plus, and I will take 1 by 2 common as well. So it is cos 2 pi. So who is cos 2 pi? Cos 2 pi is plus 1 minus lower limit. So if you will substitute pi by 2, it will become pi. So cos pi is minus 1. So it is minus 1. Okay. Now do the simplification. So it is minus 2 into minus 1 by 2. So minus minus will become plus, and 2 will get neutralized. So from this part we will have 1. Now from this part, again this minus and this minus will become plus. So 1 by 2 into 2 will become 1. So from this part we got this as the result. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Therefore the definite integration comes out to be 2. I hope the idea is clear, and I wish you guys can handle similar situations. Okay.